My name is Danielle, and I'm in 4th year engineering physics here at Queen's University. I'm going to be guiding you through a tutorial on how to use Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, we'll be covering formatting elements, such as quick styles, page numbering, and breaks. The skills you learn in this are going to be useful when you're making any engineering reports throughout your 4 years here at Queen's University. First, we're going to discuss quick styles, which can be used to create professional headings and subheadings. This is located in the home bar under Styles and contains a number of options. It is recommended that the title style be used for titles, heading 1 be used for section headings, and heading 2 be used for subheadings. Other styles can be used as desired. To apply a style, add text, then highlight the line by moving the cursor over to the left margin until it changes to a white arrow. Left-click next to the text to highlight, then go to the Styles bar in the Home tab and select the desired style. A useful formatting element in Word is breaks. Breaks are used to insert new pages or sections into a document and preserve formatting within sections. It is generally recommended that breaks be used after the title page, after the table of contents and list of tables and figures, and before appendices. Page breaks are added to start at a new page and allow additions to previous pages without altering the format of pages below it. To add a page break, after adding text, click Enter to start a new line. In the Insert tab under Pages, select Page Break. Section breaks are used to change document formatting for sections within a larger document. To add a section break, after adding text, click Enter to start a new line. In the Page Layout tab under Page Setup, select the Breaks drop-down menu and choose Next Page. This action creates a section break on the next page, and formatting for the next section can be done independently from previous sections. Next, we'll cover table of contents, table of figures, and lists of tables. Professional reports include all of these elements for quick reference for the reader. These can be created automatically in Word if quick styles are used to format headings, subheadings, titles, and captions. To insert a table of contents, in the References tab under Table of Contents, select Table of Contents, Automatic Table 2. To insert a table of figures or list of tables, in the References tab under Captions, select Insert Table of Figures. Make sure the following boxes are checked: Show page numbers, right-align page numbers, include label and number. To create a table of figures, select Figure from the Caption Label drop-down menu. For a list of tables, select Table instead. These instructions will only work if Quick Styles is used for formatting headings and subheadings. Page numbers are used in all professional reports to improve ease of locating information within the document. To add page numbers to a document, in the Insert tab under Header and Footer, select the Page Number drop-down menu and select Top of Page, Plain Number 3. This will place Arabic numbers in the top right-hand corner of every page starting at 1 on the first page of the document. General formatting for engineering reports has no page number on the title page, Roman numerals starting at I for table of contents and figures, and Arabic numbers starting at 1 for the report body. Section-specific formatting requires a few more steps. First, format the document with section breaks. Add next page section breaks in the document between sections that will have different formatting. If you've already used page breaks, you'll have to delete them, then add a next page section break instead. Next, add page numbers. To add Roman numerals to a section, double-click the header of the first page of the section to select it. This causes the Header and Footer Tools tab to open. Under Header and Footer, select Page Numbers, Format Page Numbers. In the window that opens, use the Number Formats drop-down menu to select Roman numerals. Make sure Include Chapter Numbers is unchecked. Select Start At and type I in the Start At box. Follow the same process for any subsequent sections to switch to any other numbering format. Numbers can be set to start at any value in the beginning of a section using the Start At box. To remove the number from the title page, select the header on the title page. In the Header and Footer Tools tab under Options, check the box next to Different First Page. This will leave the header blank on the first page only. To add text, such as your last name, next to page numbers, double-click the header and type next to the number. Changes to one header will appear on every page, regardless of section breaks, except for the first page if the Different First Page box is checked. In engineering reports, it is often useful to include equations that are relevant to the analysis. To create a new equation, in the Insert tab under Symbols, select the Equation drop-down menu and select Insert New Equation. Type your equation in the box that appears. A number of useful equation shortcuts can be found in Microsoft Office help forums online. It is often necessary for engineers to use information found online and in text, which necessitates using citations. The Source Manager is used to cite material not written by the authors of the document. The Source Manager saves sources and can be used to generate reference lists and add citations to text. To use these functions, sources must be saved in the Source Manager. To add sources to the Source Manager, in the References tab under Citations and Bibliography, select Insert Citation, Add New Source. A new window will come up. Select the type of source in the drop-down menu and fill as much information into the manager as possible. Select OK to add to the current list of sources. To add citations to text, place the cursor in the text where the citation needs to be placed. In the References tab under Citations and Bibliography, select Insert Citation and double-click the citation to place it. To add a list of references to a document, in the References tab under Citations and Bibliography, select Bibliography References. This will automatically insert a list of references into the document. It is useful to cross-reference tables and figures in reports, so changes to table and figure numbers is automatically updated. A cross-reference essentially links the table or figure reference in the text to the specific table or figure being referenced. Cross-reference tables and figures must have captions done correctly using styles. To add a cross-reference, place the cursor in the desired location for the cross-reference. In the Insert tab under Links, select Cross-Reference. In the window, under Reference Type, select the item type, usually either a table or figure, and change Insert Reference to only label or number. Select OK, and the reference will be placed. The style of citations can be selected in the Citations and Bibliography bar in the Styles drop-down menu. Generally, IEEE format is used.